Hey guys, Omar here from C4eTech, and today we have partnered with Samsung to bring you a little teaser on what's to come with the Galaxy M31S. The M series has largely been successful for Samsung because it's provided great value for money. And now the M31S follows the M30S and M31, two Amazon bestsellers, and it's expected to continue with the M series legacy. Now that Samsung's revealed quite a few things about the M31S, let's take a look at some of the more interesting aspects of it. And if you do end up finding this video useful, then please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Let's now get started. First up, we have single take. Remember that feature from Samsung flagships? You know, the one where we tap on shoot and shoot for a few seconds and then the phone chooses the best photos and videos all in a single take. Now that's coming to the mid-range M31S. Nice to see some of the more premium features trickle down. Talking about camera, the alignment seems to have changed. That said, it's still a quad camera setup and the primary is still 64 megapixels. Now the M31 had one of the best cameras in its segment, so here's hoping that the M31S continues being impressive. Moving on, the display is now Infinity O, and unlike with the M40, this time it's still Super AMOLED, so that's something I can't wait to get my hands on. And of course, the M series phone have always had great batteries, and the M31S is no different. It comes with a 6000 mAh battery, while Samsung's boosted the fast charging capacity to 25 watts. The charger should be included in the box. It's also worth noting that wired reverse charging is also supported here, which, given that huge capacity battery, might actually be useful. An interesting thing worth noting is that the picture here shows the M31S without a fingerprint scanner to the back. That, coupled with the AMOLED panel, might mean this might just be the first M series phone to get an in-display fingerprint scanner. Samsung's been calling this phone a monster, and it might just be one. That largely depends on two factors: the internals and price. While the latter is something we can guesstimate based on past record, the former is something that only Samsung knows at this point. So I guess we'll have to wait till the 30th of July for the final reveal. So are you guys excited about the Galaxy M31S? Which feature are you looking forward to the most? Let me know in the comments below. And with that, we come to the end of this video. Like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. Thanks a lot for watching till the end, guys. Have a good one. Cheers.